This is Chris from Brauns Motorsports. Here we have a 55 Chevy 210 with a ZZ4 motor in for much needed restoration work and upgrades. First up is a refurbishment of the disc brakes, then a new gas tank with an in-tank fuel pump and sending unit to work with the new EFI system we're going to install. We put in a new dual fan custom Matson radiator, core support, coolant overflow, and a custom bent radiator lines. We put in a Holley Sniper EFI and MSD ignition system, along with low car throttle and shift cables. Ready to go. All new pulley system, water pump, a high output alternator, and bigger brake booster and dual reservoir master cylinder. We upgraded to a Flaming River tilt steering column, Dakota Digital direct fit gauge assembly, and after all that and more, we took it for a test drive. It runs great and is ready for delivery. If you want to see more of the work we did on this car, watch the long version of this video and we'll see you next time.